many takes do you do a sound?
Once, usually.
One take?
Yeah.
Is it because you run out of celery?
No, it's because I'm that good.
I feel like celery, is that a go-to sound?
For bones and trees, sure.
How many chamois are you going through a week?
Oh, I have like 4 in my room right now. If you take care of them, they last a pretty long time. And actually, the older ones sound the best, so.
What sound do you hate? What's nails on a chalkboard to you?
Kisses.
Kisses. I'm with you.
Do you know why?
No, I don't know why you hate it.
Because usually it's a fat white man kissing his hand.
Oh, it's a fat white man kissing his hand.
Foley artist.
Making the, okay, don't do it.
I do it better than that. That's what a white man would be doing.